waterproof is your John.
I want to see the snow. Snow.
That stump coming out of the river there too is pretty nice. Those roots.
Good roots.
Good roots.
So, what is this, Jett?
Hola! This is my off-road, all-road Miata.
Is that why we're in the middle of the forest?
That's why. This is not the natural home of the Miata, if you didn't guess. Anybody who's seen the black car would know. It would not be here. It would not make it here.
Yeah, this one's a little different.
This one's a little different. It's a 2001 automatic, sadly. Ooh. Mildly totaled. If you want to come around to this side.
Let me close up on your stickers.
Yeah. I bought this car probably 3 years ago now.
Whew.
Yeah, it's real nice.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah, I bought this car like 3 years ago, originally as a parts car for the black Miata. The dude before me had slid it into a power pole. You know, these are powerful cars, people can't handle them. Drifted in the rain. I think we picked it up for $1,000 or like 900 bucks. Automatic, 100,000 miles. Had to replace the rear subframe, all the suspension on this side. This whole wheel was like bent in like that, and it would do all sorts of crazy stuff when I went over bumps.
Ooh.
So yeah, did that. It sat around not doing a whole lot. I think it's had 5,000 miles put on it in the last 3 years. Decided to do something fun with it. So.
But now it's gonna be your daily, right?
Yeah. Now that the race car is getting way too serious to drive on the road,
Yeah.
or just way too uncomfortable, honestly, I want to keep this thing basically stock. You want to come inside. I put my old seat from the black car in here just because it's gutted out and it fits me better, but it's got a nice interior. It's got the Bose sound system, like automatic. It's a luxury car.
I mean, automatic's good for the off-roading, tooting around in the dirt, right?
Yeah, it still would have been fun to have a manual, but you know, there's always the future.
If you're commuting, it's, you know, automatic's nice.
So,
I ain't against it.
Yeah, well, coming from the guy with 3 manual cars. So, yeah, all that's been done is if you want to squat, see here it's got the Paco Motorsports 3-inch lift kit. They're just little spacers that go on the bottom of the coilovers, or I guess the stock suspension.
So normally that bottom of that strut bolt right there is normally bolted right there.
Yeah, so you can see how much bigger it is. There's a little bolt hole next to that where there's no rear sway bar attached. They don't fit with this kit unless you buy aftermarket arms or end links, and that ain't worth it to me. We ain't doing that here.
You're an off-road boy anyways.
Exactly. The lift kit does about 2.5 inches, and then we moved up the tire. It's factory tire width and rim, but instead of a 45 aspect ratio, it's a 55. So the tires are 25 inches in diameter instead of 23. So the tires add another inch. So all in all, this thing's lifted almost 4 inches from stock height.
Which is why it's so high off the ground.
Yeah, it has a foot of ground clearance in some places. I think the lowest point is still 9 inches of ground clearance,
Woo.
which is more than a lot of trucks.
9 inches more than your other Miata.
Yeah, 9 inches more than the other one. Yeah, it's got 1-inch wheel spacers on it too, because for one, the wheels won't clear the stock suspension springs when you use
Big old
factory
tires.
suspension. And it gives it that tough truck look, you know? That's what we're really here for.
Because you gotta get that fitment.
That fitment.
Well, that's the dent fitment, but
Yeah, that's just dent fitment. As you can see, it still doesn't poke the way it should, but
without the spacers, it looked
ridiculous.
It looked pretty bad.
Yeah. So you can see in front there, same spacer. That sway bar end link though. You see that?
It's So there's your spacer, that nice shiny black piece.
Yeah.
Again, normally that is bolted down there, so big old spacer. There's your end link.
That looks real ghetto, right?
Woo!
Now, as sketch as it looks, it has lasted for like 1,000 miles of driving and not broken.
Yeah.
And now I got quick disconnect end links in the front, which actually are a huge improvement for this thing when we take it off-road.
So you want that flex.
That flex.
Rocking and rolling through the forest. Yeah! Yeah! Huh? Whoa! Eyes on the road, Jett.
Sorry.
Beautiful, nice shift. That was clean.
Thanks, man. My clutch work in this car is spot on.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Jett's disconnecting the front sway bar end links so that we have no sway bar attached, so that he can swing it and swing it and swung it all over the place and get a little crazy. It's pretty muddy and wet out here, so we can't go up any big hills, but did you already do that?
Just one side, yeah. Boom.
Very fast.
Alright, dude. It's high tech. Alright, let's...
Safety first, kids.
Yeah, true. Probably buckle up for this one.
You know, we're doing some high-speed technical maneuvers here.
Nice.
Beautiful. Hey, you got water on the windshield.
Oh no.
Now you're gonna have to wash it. Okay. Ooh.
Alright, we're gonna get on home there, brother.
You gonna send it?
Yeah. Whoa. Boy, she's slippery. Ooh.
Yeah, really loosey-goosey there. Something stuck in there?
Yeah, something's in the brake pad. Let's check it out.
Hello? What's the result?
Hello.
Hi. All right, we're done doing some donuts in the off-road Miata and having a little woodsy photo shoot.
Yeah.
Just had a big old brake squeal on the way back, but after we both touched the brakes a couple times, it went away. So
Certified.
Lucky fingers over here. Probably just a rock got stuck, but it sounded terrible for 50 feet.
Yeah.
So we're good to go on that. That is the off-road Miata. You know, possibly some more things to come on this, so we'll keep you guys updated, but as of right now, it's just a fun little off-road vehicle and Jett's commuter car now.
Hell yeah.
You got anything else to add?
Yeah, we'll throw in some clips. It was a little muddy today, but we got a lot of good stuff we can show of this car. When it's summertime, we can show a little bit more of the potential of what this bad girl can do.
It's a good idea. That's how we'll end it. We'll just have a montage of your off-road clips right here.
Yeah.
But yeah, Jett's got the off-road Miata and the racetrack Miata, race car Miata. Polar opposites, pretty much.
Literally.
So he's going to both ends of the spectrum. Stay tuned. Enjoy the off-road montage.
And Josh isn't here, so peace. Fact, give me this.
Oh,
Yeah.
you gonna pull it?
I'm gonna pull it.
Pull the pin.
If it doesn't pull, it's gonna be really awkward. Grenade it. Nope, not gonna pull.